So I've been itching to get my hands on a new PlayStation for a while now, and now that it's here, I can't wait to share this unboxing experience with you all. We'll explore every inch, peel away every layer, and see firsthand what sets this new PlayStation 5 Slim apart from the older version. What's up guys, my name is Zico Smart from Modern Tech Studio, where we unbox tech, review tech, and talk tech. Jumping into the unboxing section of the video, first thing first, the box design is way small and compact. Bringing this home from the store was super easy. It wasn't that heavy at all. Once you open the box, you're greeted with the power cable and then these two plastic clip thingies. Next is the USB-C to USB-C cable. It feels pretty premium and it looks very it's thick, yeah. You get a HDMI cable. I'm not really sure if this HDMI cable is 2.1, but I'll check later. Then there's a controller. I've never really held a PlayStation controller because this is my first PlayStation that I bought. And now lastly we have the console itself. So as you can see, I don't know if you actually have a PlayStation 5 right now, regular size. So as you can see, it's way smaller than the actual PlayStation. I guess roughly 25% smaller than the last PlayStation. Now if you look at it closely, there are two panels that's glossy, and then there's the two bottom panels which has a matte finish to it. It's kind of weird. I believe each individual panel could be taken off. This leaves more room to customize your console the way you want it. We're gonna get some panels later and see what we could do with it. With that being said, let's set up the PS5 Slim. The setup process is pretty much straightforward. All you need to do is follow the instructions. It took roughly 30 to 45 minutes because of the updates that took place because it's a new console and a controller. So I had to update both of those. The only thing worth mentioning is I had to register the disk drive on the console. This was new to me, but pretty simple. All you need to do is scan the QR code on the screen, sign into your PlayStation account, and it'll register it. Or you could just do it manually on the PlayStation 5. But after that, you're golden. You're fully set up and ready to start playing games. On the topic of games, let's go over my gameplay test. In terms of gameplay, fresh out the box, the PS5 Slim ran smoothly. I did not set up the variable refresh rate or the auto low latency mode, nor did I set up the 3D audio modes for the TV or the headphones. I wanted to see even if a person didn't have a fancy TV, monitor, or speaker, would my experience be enjoyable, and it was. The Spider-Man 2 game ran well, God of War, and even Destiny 2 was okay. Give me more time with the console. In my review, we will test all those features and more. So my overall first impressions on the PlayStation 5 Slim, based on the design and the performance, it all comes together to deliver an exceptional gaming experience. The smaller form factor doesn't compromise on power. If anything, it enhances the accessibility and the versatility of the console. The gameplay felt smooth as silk, and I can confidently say that the PS5 Slim would make a great gaming console for any gamer. With that being said, I still got a couple more tests to run on the console before I can give my overall review. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace.